Do you ever have a client come in and they're like, okay, I don't want to be totally blonde. I want some dimension, but I don't want to be blonde. And then all of a sudden you like get lost in the sauce and you get carried away and then they're blonde. For this, I'm using actually 30 volume on her. The reason I'm using 30 on her is I really want to make sure that I can lift her to a very clean level 9 so I can demo for you guys how that purple shampoo works on level 9 hair. But on a real person, I would probably start with 7 and 20 if they have a bit more gentle hair, more like they don't need as much lift. And on somebody with more coarse, darker level that wants to be lighter, I might start with 20 simply because this foil application is very quick. I'm using Schwarzkopf Blonde Me, the 9 Plus Premium Lightener. This is the OG Blonde Me that we know and love. It's been around forever and now it has been reformulated, but this is the OG one. However, this is the OG. So I'm using this lightener because I really, I love it for applications where I'm not working right up to the scalp. I love the texture for that and the consistency of this lightener. I also kind of love that it does, you can get great saturation with this lightener. So that's why I love it.